I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. I've got a big old bucket and I scoop all the time, digging holes in the ground, wonder what I'll find. I'm an earth investigator. I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I don't have feet?
No feet? How do you get around?
I roll on tracks to get to where I need to be. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator.
Hey, it's time to act like an excavator. I'll teach you. All you gotta do is bring up your arm, like it's the arm in the boom in the bucket, and start to scoop. That's fun!
I've got a place where workers sit, it's called a cab, where they control the bucket to scoop and grab. I'm a hole regulator. I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I work all day?
Do you ever sleep?
No time for sleep, no time for play. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. 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 I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. I've got a big old bucket and I scoop all the time, digging holes in the ground, wonder what I'll find. I'm an earth investigator. I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I don't have feet?
No feet? How do you get around?
I roll on tracks to get to where I need to be. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator.
Instrumental breakdown! Let's act like excavators!
I've got a place where workers sit, it's called a cab, where they control the bucket to scoop and grab. I'm a hole regulator. I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I work all day?
Do you ever sleep?
No time I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. 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 Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
I'm gonna show you the time that I got to spend the whole day at Silverwood Theme Park. I got there so early, no one was there, and the rides weren't even going. But then they turned on the rides. They had to make sure that they were safe before they let anyone ride them. It was so much fun to watch, and the day was just getting started. Whoa! Whoa! Bye! Whoa! 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 Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Wee! I love Silverwood! Whoa! Riding this red, yellow, and blue cart was so much fun. That was so crazy on the crazy coaster. Look at who it is! Yeah, it's Garfield. Come on, let's go meet Garfield. Hey, Garfield, how are you? Cool. Do you like Silverwood? Yeah? Do you like roller coasters? Yeah, me too. Do you like to dance? Woo! Thanks, Garfield. See ya. All right, bye. Garfield's so cool. Let's go ride another ride. This roller coaster is called Corkscrew. It looks so intense. Let me show you what it's like riding a roller coaster. Okay, we're going uphill right now, and because then we go up, and then it goes to the top, and then it drops us down to the ground, and we do spinnies and all that fun stuff. Okay. Oh, whoa! Look at how high it is. This is so much fun! Oh, whee! Whoa! Here we go! Whee! Ah! Whoa! 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 Loop-de-loop! Whoa! Whoa! The water is blue. Check it out! It's the puppy go-round. Let's go ride it. Whoa! This puppy is white with black spots. It's a Dalmatian. Whoa! 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 That was really fun. I love the puppy go round. Alrighty, thank you. Let's go ride some more rides.
Green water slide.
Tremors, they took a picture of me while riding. I'm gonna get it printed out. Oh, thank you. Here it is. Whoa, that's so funny.
This water slide is the color yellow.
Hey, Heather, how are you?
Doing good, Blippi. How are you?
I'm pretty good, thanks. What's that in your hand?
I have one of our spare seatbelts right here.
Oh, what does the seatbelt do?
It's for keeping you safe on all of our rides.
Oh, can you show us how it works?
Yeah, no problem. So you take the two pieces like this, then you buckle it straight in, perfect like this. You can pull, it'll be tight. Whenever you want out, you just lay it all the way flat, pull it straight out, and you're free to go.
Ooh, where do we find those?
First one we have right here at Thunder Canyon. Would you like to go on the ride?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's go. All right, so this is Thunder Canyon, and right here is one of our rafts. They sit in a circle of 8 people, and every single seat has its own seatbelt for safety.
Okay.
Right here is the controls. So we have 2 green buttons on either side. If you push either of these, it's going to send the boat. You ready? All right, here we go. Have fun, guys.
Oh.
Then they just kind of drift away.
Whoa. That sounds fun.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right,
Let's
let's
do
get you
it.
on here.
Okay.
I then sat down with a real cartoon artist, and he started to draw me. It took him about 15 minutes, so I had to sit as still as I could. was so much fun learning with you at Silverwood Theme Park. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more with me, be sure to click that big red button that says subscribe so you can see all of my videos. I want to give a special shout out to Silverwood Theme Park for letting me film there. And I want to let you know, if you're ever in the Pacific Northwest of United States of America, be sure to go there, ride the rides, and have a great time. Parents, just want to let you know that if your child loves my videos, I just released digital downloads on my website, so you can download my videos, put them on your tablet or your phone, and watch them anywhere, in the car, in the airplane, wherever, and you don't even have to use your cell phone data or a Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, see you again, kids. Bye!
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Look at this fire truck toy. It has a gigantic ladder. There's a real fire truck behind me. Let's put this fire truck toy away and check out some of the gadgets on the real fire truck. Can you hear me? This is Fireman Blippi. Hey, we're inside a real fire truck. I got my seatbelt on to keep me safe. I even got my headset so I can communicate with all the other workers. Oh, look over this way. That's where the driver sits and steers the fire truck with the steering wheel. Oh, check the back out with me. Yeah, look at all those seats. That's where the rest of the fire workers sit. And there's anywhere from 3 to 6 firemen in the fire truck going to the fire. Let's check out some more of the fire truck. We're at the base of the ladder on the fire truck, and look way up there. Yeah, there's a real fireman. Let's get him to wave to us. Oh, he's so high up there. He's about 105 feet up in the air. Wow! Hey, now it's about time for me to show you some of the tools and gadgets on a fire truck. Let's go. Whoa! Look, this right here, yeah, this is a hydrant wrench. You use this to open up the fire hydrant. And then this is the stores wrench. Whoa, you use the stores wrench on the inlets of the fire truck. So then you can connect the hose to the fire truck and provide the fire truck with water. But in order to do that, you need hoses. Look up here. Whoa, that's a lot of hose. Okay, now let me show you some more cool gadgets of the fire truck. Whoa, watch this. Whoa! Okay, we got a pickaxe, we got just a normal pick, and then, yep, you can't forget the snippers. Ooh, watch this trick. Whoa! Look Look at all these cool tools on the fire truck. There's tools inside secret compartments that are inside secret compartments. Wait, hey, come back here. I forgot to show you something. Look at inside this little compartment. Whoa, it's a giant air tank. The firefighters use this to breathe air because you can't breathe in fire and smoke. But in order to use this, you need to wear a harness. Let's go try on a harness now. We just got a fire call. Let's go put on our air pack. All right, this is our air pack. This is compressed air in this big bottle. And then this down here, this is my mask. So let me put it on. Tighten that up, and then you just buckle this in, kind of like a seatbelt. Okay, and now you gotta turn on the air. Okay, and then let's put on the mask.
Okay, now I'm breathing air from the air condenser pack back there. Now it's time to go fight some fires. See ya!
Woo! Hey! Whoa! Whoa! Wee! Whoa! Oh!
Wow! Oh, you can't forget about the buttons. This fire truck toy is so much fun. Thank you for learning about fire trucks with me, Blippi. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. Now you know how to say and spell my name. If you want to see more of my fun educational videos, be sure to click this big red button that says subscribe so you can see all of them. Or if you want to see me play with this fire truck toy more, be sure to click that. So then you can see my brand new channel where I play with toys. Wow, this is gonna be fun. Parents, if your child loves my videos, be sure to head over to blippi.com because as you know now, they can watch my videos for free on YouTube, but introducing, they can download them on their tablet, phone, or your phone, and not use your data or your Wi-Fi, just in case if you're going on a long trip. Who knows? All right, well, see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi! Every 31st of October there's a day where the people all come out onto the streets and like to play. All dressed up in costumes in all shapes and every size. It can be a little spooky, but no need to close your eyes.
Halloween, Halloween, I just love Halloween.
There are so many things that you can be for Halloween, like a fireman or Superman or even a jelly bean. You can wear a mask or wig or maybe paint your face. You could even dress up like you are an astronaut in space.
Halloween, Halloween, I just love Halloween. Hey, you know me. Yeah, Blippi. But I'm actually dressed as a construction worker. Do you like my outfit? I love Halloween because you can dress up as whatever you want. Oh, look, my friend Shay. Wow, he's dressing up as so many things. He's going through the same problems I was deciding what to wear for Halloween. Do you know what outfits those are? Yeah, they're all superheroes. Wow, what are you gonna be for Halloween? Halloween, Halloween, I just love Halloween.
You can go door to door with some grown-ups and your friends. Say trick or treat, I'd like some sweets, pretty, pretty please. Fill your bag with candy until it's nice and full, but don't eat it all at once or else you'll be miserable.
Halloween, Halloween, I just love Halloween.
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick, trick. Trick, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick, trick. Trick, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick, trick. Trick, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick, trick.
Halloween, Halloween, I just love Halloween. Whoa! That was so much fun watching and listening to my Halloween song with you. I love Halloween because it's that one time a year that everyone dresses up as something fun. And you get candy. I like candy a lot. But make sure you don't eat tons of candy at once because like the song said, or else you'll be miserable. So much fun. Hey, if you haven't decided what you want to be for Halloween yet, you could be me. Go to blippi.com for my t-shirt and glasses. Or if you like to dress up throughout the whole year, you could do that too. I like playing dress up.
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.
Hi, I'm Blippi, and this is a backhoe toy. It's one of the most popular machines on a job site. And today, we're gonna explore a backhoe. This is the front bucket. That is the back bucket. These are the tires. This is a stabilizer leg. And there's one on the other side too. That is the engine. This is the tractor. The inside is the cab. This is the front bucket, also known as the loader bucket. It can carry up to 8,760 pounds. That's 3 hippopotamuses. Look at how big this back tire is. And the front tire is just a little smaller. And do you see these things? That's the tread, so the tire doesn't slip and slide. Whoa! Are the stabilizer legs. They go down and hold the ground, so then the backhoe is really stable while it digs. You want to see them go down? I do too! Whee! Whoa! This is the back digging bucket, and it can dig 25.9 feet out away from it. That's 4.5 Blippies laying down. That's a lot of Blippies! It can dig 15 feet deep underground. That's almost as tall as an adult giraffe. Whoa! Okay, now we know all the parts of the backhoe, so now we can get to digging. Whoa, whoa, whoa. First things first. Safety is first. I got my hard hat. I got my safety glasses. I got my earplugs. And I got my safety vest. So, before we get started though, we need to check the oil and the engine coolant before you start any piece of machinery. So, let's do that now. This is the engine. Let's check the engine coolant first. It's perfect. Okay, and this is the engine oil. And looks full to me. So, with that being said, we're ready to start the engine because fiddlesticks. Sometimes these things don't go in. All right, well, now that it's in, we can start the engine. All right, here we go. Let's put the stabilizer legs down. Woohoo! Now we're ready. you hear that beep, 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 that means the backhoe's backing up. So if you're ever near a piece of machinery and you hear that beep, 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 get out of the way, because the operator might not be able to see you. Want to see something cool? Watch this. Wow, that's cool.
Horses galloping through the countryside. I wish that I had one to ride. Horses galloping in my mind.
Horses like to eat lots of hay and grass. It makes them big and strong. They have beautiful manes and poofy tails with hair so nice and long. Horses can run faster than you or me. They're like a speeding train. But oh, they can pack a powerful kick just with their hind legs. So be sure not to stand behind them if you get the chance to be near one. Maybe just bring an apple.
That's their favorite snack.
Horses galloping through the countryside. I wish that I had one to ride. Horses galloping in my mind.
Horses wear shoes, but not quite like the ones that we wear on our feet. Horseshoes protect the horses' hooves when they walk on the street. A young boy horse is called a colt, and a young girl is called a filly.
That's silly.
A grown-up girl is called a mare, and a grown-up boy is a stallion. They can be different colors, like brown, white, black, or golden. Ooh, I love them so.
Horses galloping through the countryside. I wish that I had one to ride. Horses galloping in my mind.
Giddy up now, horsey. Come on, giddy up.
Horses galloping through the countryside. I wish that I had one to ride. Horses galloping in my mind. They're galloping in my mind. They're galloping in my mind.
The Horses song is so much fun. Thank you so much for watching it with me. Hey, I have a question for you. What's your favorite color of a horse? That's my favorite color too! Wow! I like horses because they're so beautiful and spectacular. You know what I love doing? I love acting like I'm riding a horse. You want to act like you're riding a horse with me? Okay, I'll teach you. First, you grab the reins so you don't fall off. You don't want that to happen. And then you bounce up and down as if the horse is walking. This is fun. And then if you want to get the horse to go really fast, you talk to it and make noises like you're a real cowboy or cowgirl. Are you ready? Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! The horse is going really fast now. This is fun! Now watch, I'll make it slow down. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, horsey. Come on now. Whoa, that's fun. Okay, thanks for acting like you're riding a horse with me. If you liked the Horses song, be sure to ask your parents to check out my brand new educational music CD. It's available on Blippi.com. It has the Horses song along with many other fun songs on it. Alright, I'm sorry to say, this is the end of this video. But if you want to see more of my videos, be sure to click that big red button that says subscribe, so then you can see all of my videos. Or click that question mark and I'll take you to a random one of my videos. Alright, bye-bye. See you again.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, my name's Blippi and look at what I have in my hand. A tractor toy. And look at what's behind me. A real tractor. Let me show you some of the parts of the tractor. Those, yeah, the black and the yellow, those are wheels and tires. And that right there is the cab. Woo! The engine bay is where the power comes from. Oh, and look, that's the exhaust. It pushes the hot air away from the tractor. Ooh, and the windows protect the farmer from debris hitting them.
Whoa! Look at where I'm at. I'm on a real hay farm, and this is Timothy hay. These tractors have balers behind them, and they bale the hay. And then a harrow bed comes along and stacks the hay.
Well, hello again. This is where the engine is. The engine is what gives the tractor all of its power. But before you start any piece of machinery, you have to check the engine oil and the coolant.
Okay, you open the engine compartment and you find the dipstick for the oil. Here it is, right here. Open it up and check and make sure there's oil. And, yep. Looks like the engine is full of oil. So let's put the dipstick back in the hole. And then now we need to find the engine coolant. Let's see, where is it? It's yellow. Do you see it? Oh, yeah, it's way back there. And it looks full, so now we're ready to start the engine. This is a hay bale. We're inside the tractor. Let me show you some of the parts. First things first, let's buckle up. Woo! Just like in a car, buckle up. Okay, and then let's move forward. Yep. Okay. Ooh. Whee! Okay, that's good. And let's pull down the steering column so it's right in front of me. Woo! Perfect. Oh, there's so many gadgets on the steering column. Let me show you some of them. Let's see. This is the steering wheel. This is how you steer the tractor. And then, oh, what does this do? Did you hear that? That must be the horn. That's so much fun. Okay, okay, this is what gear you're in. There's park, and then forward and backward. Let's keep it in park, because we're not moving right now. And then, oh, look. This is what allows the farmers and ranchers to work at night. It's the lights. Woo! And then, okay, let me show you over here. This is the transmission area. This lever makes the tractor go either slow or fast. See the turtle? That's slow. And the rabbit, that's fast. Slow, fast. Slow, fast. Oh, and look at this right here. Yeah, it's a radio. We can talk to other farmers. Farmers, this is Farmer Blippi. I'm gonna come help you guys farm.
Great, we could use the help. See you soon, Blippi.
Copy that, over and out. See you soon. Let's go. Whoa, I'm driving a real tractor. Wait. No, really, wait. These are tractor weights. You put them on the front of the tractor, so then the tractor doesn't get back heavy and do a tractor wheelie. Whoa! Look at how many tires this tractor and wagon has. Let's count them. The tractor has 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side of the tractor, and on this side of the wagon, there's 5, 6, 7. So that means on the other side there's 7. So this tractor and wagon has 14 wheels and tires! Look at how big this tractor is. Some tractors can weigh up to about 25,000 pounds. To put that into perspective,
That's about 150 of me. Whoa, that's a lot of Blippies. That was so much fun teaching you about tractors. I do have some good and bad news though now. The bad news is, this is the end of this video. But the good news is, if you click that big red button that says subscribe, you can see all of my fun educational videos for kids. Or if you type in my name, Blippi, B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi, into the internet, you can see all the videos too. Well, see you later. Wait. Remember, treat others how you would like to be treated. Okay, you can go now. Bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey parents, I want to invite you to check out my website, blippi.com. This video is available for download, so then your child can watch it on the go, in the car, in an airplane, at the grocery store, wherever. No cellular data or Wi-Fi is necessary. I also sell really cool merchandise, like this tractor t-shirt. Your child would look pretty cool in it. But every single sale goes to help me, Blippi, making more and better fun educational videos for kids just like yours and many more all around the world. Millions of kids get to enjoy these, all because of people like you. Thank you so much for the support. Bye.